Rose Williams is a talented English actress, widely recognized for her leading role in the PBS period drama Sanditon. Rose initially pursued fashion before acting at age 18. Her mother was a costume designer. Rose enjoys dancing, drawing, painting, and watching television. For her period roles, she turns character preparation into a hobby by maintaining extensive folders of paintings, historical literature, and visual aids. To learn her scripts and practice lines, she frequently goes on long walks.